So at this point, I need to graph my function, and to start, I'm going to blow it up so I can see it better. I know that it is an exponential function and that all exponential functions go through the point 0, 1. So I pick up the tool for the exponential, and then I click the point 0, 1, and it automatically puts an exponential function in there. Now, using the transformation tool, I'm pulling that up here so we can see it. The base is e, and that's what we want. If it was a number raised to an exponent, we would change our base right here. So instead of e, it would be that number. And we know that we have a horizontal shift. I'm going to use the slide bars to do that. And since it's x minus 1, that means that it moves one place, but it's the opposite direction. So it will move one place to the right. So that's a horizontal shift. And I want it to go to one place to the right. And I can close this now and check my answer. And that's it. Hope this helps.